Leaders in Seminole County are getting results for residents during natural disasters. They unveiled 2 high-water rescue vehicles, which will be used during flooding, hurricanes, even brush fires.
Yeah, firefighters say the old one that they used during Hurricane Ian was more than 50 years old. News 6's Ezzy Castro has an inside look of the new trucks.
The Seminole County Fire Department just got 2 brand new high water rescue trucks. You can take a look right here. There's one, and I'm going to walk over here and show you that this one not only will be able to rescue people, but firefighters can use this one for brush fires. Out with the old and in with the new. The Seminole County Fire Department unveiled 2 brand new high water multi-use rescue trucks. Fire officials say the trucks are very needed and will help them during emergency situations like hurricanes, flooding, and brush fires. They can transport up to 28 people and their pets. This all comes after the Seminole County Board of Commissioners approved $502,000 to purchase the new 6x6 trucks to replace the old ones, which were built in 1968.
With the Hurricane Ian, the Seminole County Fire Department, along with law enforcement and the National Guard, responded to saving residents in flood-prone areas, utilizing these high-water vehicles that are more than 55 years old. On behalf of the Seminole County Fire Department, I cannot thank the board enough for their support in purchasing these vehicles. They are very needed.
Both trucks feature a hydraulic lift gate and can carry up to 650 gallons of water and are ready for deployment. And Seminole County officials told me they are not getting rid of this truck just yet. They are going to try and donate it to another department in the county. In Seminole County, Ezzy Castro, getting results, News 6.